national tour yakabva kuitwa mai manje ya national tour yakaitwa mai manje unotichinayo chirongwa chakanaka chenational tour
chirongwa zvishuwa chakanaka ka kuuya kavakauya zvishuwa ka papasina kana hwiu pavaifamba ka but zvakanyanyondinakidza kuti papasina kana munhu murodzi vanhu vakangoita so successfully vakazi vaikurudzira kuti vanhu vagare kumba and then vaita quarantine and then kunge zvati kungoita izvi 1 meter apart and then tikugeza futi maoko
saka iwo panational tour wakavaona sei kana wanga uri mumba
ayo kuva mumba ndandiri mumba
asi pana pamashops wanga uripo futi
pana vanhu ndakavaonera apa but because vakati vaenda pepeka and then vazotivigira manje government supervision ndo pandakazokwara gumbo rangu iri because but hey ndakamhanya samari ndakamhanya
asi wanga uri mumba iwo uchiteerera
ndandiri mudeni
lockdown
ndandiri mudeni
asi po ukamhanya wanga uri pano pamashops
mudhara makundibviringa ine nani mandikungotaura zvamudaitaura aiwa zvinhu zvazviri bhoka muroad mamusina kana vanhu ende handina kumboti vanhu vakarohwa vanhu havana kana zvimborohwa magetsi ariko hamvura iriko vanhu vanonge vachitoendawo kuzvibhorani maybe maexercises but
Ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, welcome to another episode of The Week in Lockdown, live from my kitchen. It's been another epic week. The government said they wouldn't ban beer because it was essential. Then, a few days later, they banned it. And then, after a day, they said, my jokes, boys. Douglas Monzora locked up Morgan Changirai house and said, Futeke, while Edie decided to go and visit the hood to see if people were actually staying at home. I mean, guys, I couldn't make this shit up if I wanted to. This week's biggest news was the back and forth by the police regarding beer. On day 1 of the lockdown, we heard that government was allowing Delta Beverages to continue producing beer because it was essential. Then, on day 3, the police came out and said, Maya, they would in fact be enforcing a ban on the sales of alcohol in order to enforce social distancing. The Drinkers Association of Zimbabwe, DAZ, said, Makuti jairira manje. The Hurumend went, Eish! And the ZRP went, sorry guys, Tongo Backspinner. Yes, the police reversed the ban quicker than a mshika-shika at a roadblock because 2 keys is stronger than your baton sticks, comrades. We are the ones who make Castle great. We also make Bollinger, Super and Chapumba great, but yeah. As the lockdown continued into its second week, President Edie Mnangagwa decided he would see if people were staying at home by not staying at home himself. Yes, Edie forgot to follow his own advice and did a tour Kumarain to make sure that the city was properly shut down. Dear Prez, the whole idea about social distancing is that we need to keep our distance from each other, including you. I mean, you're a president. You can't be behaving like a prefect at Gouache. I mean, you can't be like, dear citizens, today I was walking the streets of Mavuku and I can honestly tell you that no one was walking the streets of Mavuku.
Hello fellow citizens, I'm here, your dear doctor, your true doctor, Doc Vikela, to tell you about a new deadly pandemic that has hit the streets of our nation. This deadly pandemic is causing pandemonium throughout the country. It's causing panic throughout the country. During these days of lockdown, people are suffering. The signs and symptoms are headache, stomach growling, dizziness, light-headedness, grumpiness, ngobvunda-bvunda, nekuita hashasha zvisina basa.
I was one.
This pandemic is deadly. It is a pandemic that will find you when you least expect it. When you are safe from this pandemic, you run to this pandemic. So be on the lookout. This new pandemic is called COVID-20. So please, during the days of the lockdown, make sure as you run away from this pandemic, you are covered for COVID-20. Easily explained, hunger virus 2020. It's here. It's real. Stocks are running out.
Comrades, we really need to take this corona thing seriously. We've seen some comrades who are using the lockdown to improve their border skills.
I was thinking maybe Tambugaro, some affairs to Mutamba to interact with each other, because we're facing more problems than it is. So I think whatever comes, to die, Tango accept whichever result comes, because that's not much of it in life right now.
Really, Baba?
The virus is going to come back in me. Can I take a 20 meter? Can I take a 20 meter each family?
Seriously, guys?
Corona. That's sweet, but
Sure, Rimafizam and Kugeto. Some crafty vendors are using spies to spot police so they can keep doing their thing. I appreciate that us Zimbos will always innovate and find a way, but this is Corona, guys. It's not a power cut. It's very important that people observe social distancing rules and keep to themselves so that we can flatten the curve. No, not the success curve. No, that curve. The fact is that this is a disease that will overwhelmingly affect the poor. But many can't stay at home because ZANU-PF, ISAP and anti-poor economics have destroyed the economy. So most people are vendors and hustlers. In order to stay at home, our government should be able to pay everyone a universal basic income. Basically, a living wage so they can survive while they stay by 10. But unfortunately, our Hurmen would rather give 3 billion to Sakunda or spend $200,000 US hiring a private jet from Dubai instead of actually supporting the povo. There's also a false sense of security amongst peeps being generated by the numbers being shared daily by the Ministry of Health. According to the Ministry of Health, there's only been 19 cases of corona and 2 deaths. Really, comrades? 2 deaths? Chete, why not be honest and tell citizens that you don't actually have the capacity to test people? And how can we trust you when tests being carried out in Bulawayo are being sent to Harare? Are you saying that Bulawayo can't have its own independent testing center? In Zimbabwe, we now officially have more corona arrests than corona tests. Takaipa. 400 tested versus 2,000 arrested. How's that for statistics? Yes, instead of ramping up efforts to test people, our government has been ramping up efforts to beat people. I guess in times of crisis, you have to focus on what you do best. Brutality. Yes, globally our government may rank quite low in terms of press freedom, but in terms of violence, we are some of the world leaders. Shout out to Iran and North Korea. We see you. I mean, I've got a lot of questions, but I think I'll let this lady ask her question.
Mapurisa vari kungofamba vari 50 murori havana kana protective kana mask kana magrovers zvikura kuti corona haisi kubata mapurisa hatisi kuvanzwisisa noti mapurisa acho hatisi kumbaona vachitiratidza kuti zvinouraya ivo vari 50 murori vachiti isusu 1 meter ivo 50 murori no face mask no gloves saka corona ndeyedu pofokai mapurisa avabatwawo.
We're going to take a quick commercial break and share a few words on corona from our sponsors.
1, 2, 3, 21 days. Muteni takabharirwa 21 days. Hakuna arikubvumirwa 21 days. Kubuda achimberereka nekuti kune chirwere chinonzi corona 21 days. Gara muteni 21 days. Terera zviri kutaurwa. So, ghetto youth, usabude panze waisati 21 days muteni wakazvibharira kune chirwere corona. Unofa sekuri. I'm telling you.
Eka. If that doesn't make you stay at home, I don't know what will. In this week's regular coup update, we ask, is Douglas Monzora pushing to become Prime Minister in a GNU. That was the rumor circulating this week as Kupe, Monzora and co. stuck to their guns in their attempt to take over the MDC alliance. Everyone's favorite spokesperson without portfolio, Obed Gutu, said Nelson and his comrades should accept Kupe's leadership or else face recall. Another rumor was that Nkoma Dagi had even locked everyone out of Morgan Changirai House. Yes, Dagi took the idea of the lockdown very literally and locked out a whole opposition party. But then Charlton Wende came out guns blazing saying it's a lie. We're just relaxing at home on lockdown. I mean, I guess karma's a because old Nelson used every dirty trick in the book to do his initial power grab when Morgan passed away. Sure, his leadership has since been legitimized by the 2019 Congress, but what goes around comes around. But that's no excuse for a ZANU-PF-backed coup against the opposition. Now we hear that Kupe is going to launch her Congress as soon as lockdown is over. Well done for focusing on the COVID pandemic, Comrade Kupe. You really have the people at heart. Are you a nurse or doctor who wants to help in Zim's fight against COVID-19? Solidarity Trust Zimbabwe needs nurses and doctors to respond to calls at their new COVID-19 call center. It's on a voluntary basis and you can even work from home. If you're interested, please get in touch with the Trust on these numbers. Thanks for joining us on the Week in Lockdown. Follow Magama TV on social media. I've been Comrade Fatso. You have been the people. This has been my kitchen. Thank you. It's time to do the dishes now. Futsek.